In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Wizz Air account. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection, access to your Wizz Air profile, and a valid credit card you can add to your account. Also note that you can only withdraw if you have funds in your Wizz account, which usually come from refunds or credits. Processing options and timing can vary, so always read the notes on the screen as you go. First, open your browser and head to wizzair.com. Wait for the page to fully load and confirm you're on the official site with the padlock icon in the address bar. Next, look to the top right corner of the website and click your profile name. If you're not already signed in, the site may prompt you to log in first. Go ahead and do that so you can access your account dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, scroll down. You're looking for the sections related to payment methods and your Wizz account. Take your time here so you don't miss anything, as some options can be tucked below the fold on smaller screens. Now add a credit card. Select the option to add a new card, enter the card details carefully, and make sure the name and billing address match your bank records. Saving a card on file can be required for withdrawals or verification. Only enter this information directly on the Wizz Air site and never share it via messages or email. After your card is added, click on Wizz Account Balance. This opens your balance page where you can view your available funds and any restrictions or notes about how they can be used. If you already have a balance, it will be shown clearly. If the balance is zero, the withdrawal option won't appear. If funds are available, check the currency, the amount, and any messages about fees or limits so you know exactly what to expect. When a balance is present, you'll see a withdraw button here. Click it, choose the amount you want to withdraw if that option is offered, confirm the destination according to the on-screen prompts, and submit. Stay on the page until you see a confirmation message. You may also receive a confirmation email. Keep it for your records. That's the process from start to finish. If the withdraw button doesn't appear, confirm you're logged in, that a card is saved, and that you have an eligible balance. Otherwise, check the help section on the site for the latest rules and support options.